Good afternoon. Thanks for stopping back. Welcome back to the channel. This is J Squared Expedited. Well, we got another load. Today is Wednesday. We're going to go pick this load up tonight. 90 miles from here. And it goes to Louisiana. It's not going to a great board, but it's getting towards the end of the week and we need to get some miles in to get some money into on the books. So this will give us a little more money on the books and help pad the week. So we hopefully we'll find something after this, maybe, because this picks up today, delivers tomorrow. Hopefully we can get it kicked off early enough that we can get something else and potentially either have some decent run for the weekend or something that picks up Thursday and delivers Friday. So we'll see. But as of right now, this doesn't deliver until 8 p.m. tomorrow night. That ain't gonna happen. We'll probably get it kicked off way before then. So hopefully we can get something else. If not, and we're stuck, we may empty move ourselves over somewhere else to a better board for the weekend, for Monday. But it's too early to say, it's too early to tell. So anyways, thanks for being here, thanks for stopping back. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country. Had an itch there, sorry about that. But there's one thing we can't do, is move the growth of this channel without your help. So please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this out with everybody, and let's build this community together, because there's not very many people out there that show what we do. So let's do it. Let's get this day started. That's what we got right there. Let's go to Louisiana. Alright, y'all. It's 12:22 in the a.m. I'm going to bed. Later.
Good morning. It is 1 a.m. here. We have made it to the Tennessee Welcome Center. To start driving. I want to thank everybody that wished me a happy birthday yesterday. I know it's going to be a couple weeks before y'all see this, but thank you anyways. Just to get on the road. So, thanks for being with us.
street that is down there. We just got delivered. It was a little tiny place. Didn't get much filming in there. Didn't have time. There's only one skid, as you saw. We kicked it off. Sweated my booty off. I was out there maybe, what, 15 minutes? Sweated like crazy. And now we're on our way out of there. So this one's another one in the books. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for being here. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. We're out. Y'all be safe.